y'all. Woo! Today we're indulging in some cheese and butter and deliciousness from Napoli. Oh my god. And here's Nikocado Avocado to share it with me.
This is our own Thanksgiving, practically.
Yeah. We're having an Italian Thanksgiving.
We are.
Sorta.
So happy belated Thanksgiving. You guys are going to see this a couple days later.
Oh yeah, definitely.
We're actually filming this Black Friday.
It is Black Friday.
Yeah,
we're gonna be doing some I'm gonna be doing some shopping later. I got some Christmas goodness to work over. But should we set it up or just open?
We can open in front of them. I don't know what you want to do.
Well, let's see. What do we have here?
We have a lot of stuff.
We do have a lot of stuff.
A lot of stuff.
Y'all know us. It's just the way we roll.
This is so funny too because I was telling Candy, I'm like, we don't need to do that much. You know.
And I can't help it.
Oh!
That's the ziti. I've never tried their ziti.
Oh my god. Ouch.
And I got the fettuccine Alfredo.
Oh, they have some good Alfredo.
So far, I think it's like, stupid salad. I'm putting it over here.
Yeah, get those out of here.
We don't need the stupid salads.
I got a fettuccine too.
Yeah. Ooh, yours is pretty. Look at that.
Oh, because they forgot your little topping, your little...
They got a couple pieces.
No. We're calling corporate. Calling corporate.
Yeah, we're getting fancy on.
You take the pretty one.
Well, okay, thank you. Oh, Lord. Pretty.
Okay.
And we've got the garlic bread here. And we're going to split the ziti. Okay.
Now we need those.
How am I going to do this? Let's see.
We could put them on our bowls, or we could put all of them on one box and put the box in the center.
This is one of the calzones.
Did you get, that's the small?
Yeah, these are the small calzones. This is small.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Yeah, let's put this here in the center.
Okay. Let's see. Move stuff a little bit.
Put that there so you can see. We can put another calzone right on this side.
And I got the second calzone. We each got a calzone.
So Candy and I are kind of matching today.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see if we can
We're twins.
set this here.
Twinsing. Oh. And last but not least,
Stromboli.
the beautimous Strombolis.
Where are we gonna put that?
I don't know.
We can kind of just flop it, put it here.
Yeah.
Should I pick it up? Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna cut it and split it up.
Oh, it's so big.
Oh my god, it's heavy.
Ooh.
There's more sauce.
Oh, that looks really nice. You see that, you guys? Look at this beast.
Look at that ziti's. All right.
So we got everything here.
Oh my god. Okay, and we got bowls here for our strombolis and zitis. So, you want to dish that up or just get in something first?
Whatever you like.
We're both starving.
Oh yeah, starving.
Okay, let's take a bite of this fettuccine because it's tempting the hell out of me right now.
Okay.
Okay. Ooh-wee.
Ooh.
Oh my god.
Ooh.
They make a good fettuccine. Look how freaking creamy that is.
Ooh, we love Italian over here.
Oh, jeepers.
Cheapers, creepers. Ooh.
Okay, I can't. Oh, it's so hot. Mm-hmm. Oh. Oh, that's the best.
I love life.
Mm.
Oh.
Merciful heaven.
Oh.
What the heck?
Oh. Oh. F fast food. We're done with those
We're
videos.
done with fast food.
We're done with them. Y'all, this is all you're going to see for the next week. Daily Italian food. Is yours amazing?
It is so good. This is like cream and butter and
It's
cheese.
perfection.
Mm. Mm.
I'm waiting for you to go beep.
I know, right?
I'm waiting for it to go beep.
I wanna. Oh my god. Burning my hand.
Ah, this is so good. I take massive bites. I'm already like halfway done with mine. So I don't want to eat all of it at once. Oh man, I hope you guys are eating something good with us. This is so freaking good. Amazing.
I had to do something rich. And
How do they do it so perfectly?
I don't know, but man, this is the recipe I want. Just slop across the room.
We flung it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What should I try next? Maybe my calzone.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Man. Y'all thought I liked Cheesecake Factory? Oh no.
Mm.
This is just so high up there. It's way better than Cheesecake Factory.
I mean, my God. How do they make it that good?
Ooh.
You ready to dive into that?
Yeah, let's do this. I keep
Well,
eyeballing
let's do
this.
it.
I see all this cheese.
Here's the...
Mm.
We got a knife.
Yep, we each get a little knife.
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead and... I don't even know how.
I don't know. I'm just gonna serve up a
Look at all that cheese.
Oh God, I can't even get through the cheese.
How do you pick it up?
I'm gonna...
Your spoon?
Yeah, I was gonna...
Here, I'll do it for you.
I just wanted to like cut into it a little bit.
How about we just divide it in half? Or
Well, that's what I was kind of trying to do.
let's see here.
I wanted you to have a bigger
Oh.
Oh yeah.
You guys see this?
Oh my God. It's got spinach in it. So
Healthy.
We're gonna be healthy. It's got something green in there. Oh my God. Mm-hmm. Mm. Oh.
Okay.
Mm. All right.
This is my first. Is this your first time too?
Trying it. Yep. Mm.
I love life.
Yeah, life. Cheese is life. Mm.
Mmm.
Oh my Lord.
Oh my God.
Mm.
Oh my God. Mmm.
Mm. Oh, that ricotta.
The sauce is it's like there's a hint of sweetness in there.
Mm-hmm.
Mmm. And it's not really thick like pizza sauce. It's kind of like it's like I don't want to say soupy because soupy almost.
Mm-hmm. It's not like a
Paste.
yeah.
That is so good. Mm. Yay! Okay, I need to have a calzone. Oh my God, it's just drip. It's just dripping, and you see all the butter dripping off. Candy. You're gonna make me fat. This can be.
I'm telling you, fat is contagious.
Well, I need to be 350, well over 350 before we go to.
Oh my Lord.
Heart attack.
Ooh, excuse me. Oh, that's beautiful.
Oh my God.
All right, y'all. Ordered so much food, we got free Coke.
Cheers.
But yeah, he's not he doesn't want the soda.
No.
Ooh, contributing to my fatness. Oh, excuse me. Okay. Time for me to dig in. Oh, I know. It is so good. Okay, I got it. Oh, the bowl. That's a good idea.
Yeah, because it's gonna drip.
It is gonna drip. I know it. Okay, let me see.
Candy, look at all that butter.
It looks so good. Oh. Mama. Come here, baby.
There you got it. I was gonna.
Ooh. Mmm. That is heaven.
I'm not even speaking. I'm just so like, oh my God.
I'm obsessed.
I'm obsessed too. I'll never forget my first memory of a calzone. All cheese, extra cheese, just plain cheese. Was with a friend from college. I flew to Brooklyn, New York. You know, Brooklyn has a lot of like old Italian families that immigrated.
Oh yeah.
And I was vegetarian at the time. And so I remember his mom said, "Get Nick something vegetarian, something cheesy." So we literally just walked on over to this old Italian restaurant. The building was made of stones. You could smell that like nice yeasty smell. And I got my first calzone. It was huge, like this. And I ate it. I'm like, where has this been all my life? I started like screaming. I was like, oh my God.
You know, and I mean, if I ever had a calzone before I had one with you, I don't remember it. But the Napoli calzone is memorable. It is a memorable experience.
This is like my favorite memory with you. This and Hardtack Grill. Eating these cheesy big old calzones.
Oh, so good.
I'm like speechless. So messy, so buttery. I swear they put like a stick of butter in here. Name something better than this.
I honestly don't believe I can.
I can't. And we're over here eating burgers and fries.
I know.
What's wrong with us? You know, if this was near where I live, I would eat this once a week.
You know,
and I'd request for you guys to pay for it.
Right.
Because it's not cheap.
You know, Napoli has a lot more stuff than just the Italian food, too. I mean, they've got, like, even some, like, Mexican dishes, and... Or at least that's what it said on the website. But, like... I love their chicken wings. They've got gigantic chicken wings. Thank you. Gigantical chicken wings. Oh, mercy. Ooh, should we bust the Stromboli open?
Let's tear it up. Go ahead.
Go ahead.
Go ahead. Get primal with it.
Oh, need that right there. Because my fat will fall in it.
Bust that open.
Oh my god.
Unless you want me to.
I almost got it.
You got it?
I think. Oh, nope. Nope, don't got it.
Don't got it.
I mangled it.
Here.
Yeah, that's probably the best idea.
Did it split? Oh, all the ingredients.
This is a challenge, y'all. Sorry. Okay. That's fucked up.
Yeah. Well, here's all your ingredients.
That was not a good idea.
Let's put some of those ingredients back.
Yeah, oh, jeez.
Okay.
Okay, where's my knife now?
It's hard to cut.
Yeah, like the bottom is tough.
I'm like going at it and I still can't cut it. Oh, there we go.
Yeah, I didn't realize how tough the bottom was.
Okay. So as you saw, it has peppers, onions, ham, pepperoni.
Oh. So freaking good.
Oh my god.
Oh man. That mozzarella in there. Whoa. Wow.
Wow.
That's like on a different level than the calzone. It's like, it's so good, but it's different. It's so different.
And same idea too.
Just bread loaded with goodies.
Cheese. I think I still like the calzone best. The calzone, at least how they made it today, is just buttery. Like dripping buttery.
I don't know, I'm very fond of the calzone, but
Ooh.
I'm the kind of girl that likes a little variety, I guess.
I like going back and forth, actually.
Oh my god. It's all unbelievable though. Unbelievable. Wow.
Oh my god. Back to the Stromboli. I just love those peppers.
Peppers are good.
Peppers still have a little crunch. Man.
Oh. Man, the Stromboli. That is just.
Ooh. Another. Oh.
That's handy.
You need a little nap. Well, then again, you usually don't get too messy when you sit in your chair.
Yeah.
It's when I come over.
It's like I'm wearing everything because I gotta like. No, this table is over here, like holding stuff. It can come up to like right here, so.
Oh, so it's less messy.
A little bit.
How's your Coke? Out of the bottle.
That's good.
That's the way to do it.
I would be doing it this way anyway, probably.
Happy Thanksgiving and a Merry Christmas. There she goes. I know what I love Coke when they have a little Santa on them.
We didn't get no Santa.
Yeah, where is it? It's holidays. Here we go. Where is it?
Ooh-wee.
After Halloween, we need Santas. Excuse me.
All right.
Ooh.
I need a little more of this buttery goodness.
I was just thinking that actually.
You are.
It's like, let's go back. Back around.
Twins. I call it twin brain. When two fatties think of the same food at the same time.
Yeah. That's happened a few times to us.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
It's like I'll just be thinking of some kind of food, and I'll go to your channel and you just posted it, and I'm like, oh dang.
Or
Same one.
we'll film it like the same day, not tell each other. And then mine goes up first. She's like, I just filmed it. Mine goes up tomorrow. Happened a few times.
That has happened. It's like we just had the same thought.
Or you eat something really good. I'm like, I gotta go get that.
There's
and vice
that
versa.
too. There's that too, yeah.
I got you into those Wingstop lemon peppers wings, didn't I? Were they good? Like, nice and greasy and.
They could have been a little bit greasier for me. Just a little bit. I did actually like the thighs though. I got two of the thighs to try. They weren't super dry, but it was really, really crispy. Like crisp.
Ooh.
Good though. Good though. I liked them.
I had Fat Burger last night. Ooh. I had a bunch of their boneless wings. Man.
We were just thinking about Fat Burger last night.
See what I told you?
we talked about it.
Their boneless wings, man, they were so. I was screaming. I was like, why are they so good? What's in here? Like, they're greasy, they're wet, they're like nicely crispy fried. They're like perfection. Better than Wingstop. They were so good.
You know, and I mean, I don't get Wingstop very often, you know. I think I've only had it maybe twice on the channel, you know. This might be the third time, I'm not sure, but the ranch, you should have seen the tub of ranch I got. I got the big tub.
Is it in your fridge?
Yes, it is.
Ooh, I want to see that. Admire that.
We've actually eaten all the little ones though. I got 6 little ones and then ones that came with the meal.
They have the best ranch, don't they? Who comes close in your opinion?
Napoli's got pretty good ranch, but it's not like that.
I think Farmer Boys.
Farmer Boys. Oh, I haven't had Farmer Boys in a while. It's been a while.
I let you taste the ranch when I came, I think.
Oh yeah, it was good ranch. Good ranch. I like it. I like it when it's a little tangy and herby at the same time, but also creamy.
Oh yes.
Oh, so good. Oh, so good. That's all dough.
I will definitely be 350.
Yeah, keep eating this goody stuff.
No objection.
I'm restuffing my Stromboli. Come here, goodies.
You could even put some calzone, like cheesy ricotta or something in there too.
Oh yeah. It probably is. I got extra ricotta and extra mozzarella in the calzone.
I taste it. It's perfection.
The Stromboli was as is. And I didn't expect it to be such a mess. That was fun though. I was like, oh no.
Last time when we had the oops.
Got it.
Catch it before it falls. Oh, I was saying last time the Stromboli that we had from this Italian place. I think it was normal, but then we added something ricotta or feta. Feta.
It was good, but I think I like the flavor profile of this a little bit better.
You can taste more of the vegetables.
Lord.
Oh, man. Ooh. I'm gonna have another bite of these.
Oh my gosh. Oh my God.
The ziti.
I'm slowing down already. Ooh-wee.
Oh, we each easily put in 2,000 calories by now.
Oh, I know. There's some garlic bread.
You want some more here? I'm looking at her plate, like, where would I put it?
Yeah, right. That's not a good one.
Excuse me. Whoever invented cheese. I hope they're rich and happy.
Bless their hearts.
Yeah. Here, use your. I took all the cheese. It flew off. Put some of that cheese on there. Skip it on.
Try to take all of it. Okay.
You got it?
Lord.
Yeah, I really like the texture of these noodles.
They're soft. And the zitis are smooth. The pennes are like ridged.
Yeah.
Ribbed for your pleasure.
Ruffled, like Ruffles chips. And these are very slippery. Oh, I love the texture.
Oh my God.
Ooh.
Oh my God.
Full.
Yeah, definitely. How do you feel about dessert? You gonna do it? So I do know you like the tiramisu.
I do. I saw that. I gasped. I'm like, I haven't seen one of those forever. Want me to get it?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm trying to relocate all my remnants.
She has a helper tray over there.
Yeah. Definitely gonna sweep. Lord. You got your fork?
Yeah, I've got my fork and my knife.
Okay. Ooh. I'm gonna eat on the lid.
Well, we could eat on the lids. I could eat on this lid. You eat off there.
Okay. Well, look. Get you.
Okay.
Get your half. Or
I'm
whatever.
gonna try. Well, I don't know if I can
You
eat
can try
half.
it. Yeah.
I'll wait for you. We'll do it together.
Okay.
Tiramisu. This is like coffee, right? Coffee
yes.
flavor. Cheers. Ooh.
That is nice. Yeah, they drizzle the lady fingers with the coffee liqueur.
Ooh. Ooh.
And the filling's got some mascarpone cheese. I wish I knew how to make it myself though.
Oh my God. Oh, this is a great flavor after the.
Yeah, it's a nice palate cleanser. Yes, that's good.
I'm gonna have a meltdown on my channel. Candy gave me diabetes. It's her fault. This is Amazing. I love that after the salty.
Yeah. It's creamy and it's cool because it was frozen.
I love
and it's
how
just like
cold. Because this was very hot.
Shout out to Napoli. Not sponsored. Should be.
Send us some gift cards.
Because we freaking love Napoli. You know.
Cover our next meal, please.
And this was free.
Oh, there was their thank you.
Yeah.
And they gave her a Coke, too.
Free Coke and free dessert as a thank you. Because, you know, they love me because I've ordered from there a lot.
Well, also, you're a returning customer, but she tipped the driver real good.
Yeah.
She was a good tipper.
I'm a good tipper.
And they were like, oh, wow.
Because I'm Santa this year.
They said, first thing in the morning, I'm getting this big old tip.
Yeah, I made his day, so that was good.
I really liked him. He was so friendly.
Yeah, he was.
I liked him. And take him home.
Had that little bit of an Italian accent still in there, yeah.
I loved the whole look, up head to toe.
But see, I always order so much food. The last time he came, he was like, well, where's all you kids? Where's other people? I was like, really?
They're in the back
I was like,
room.
it's just me, honey. No, there were other people in the house, so I was like, he's like, oh, I see you. He looked in the door and he saw Susan sitting there. He's like, oh, okay. But I told him what it was all about. I told him I was doing a mukbang.
Oh, you told him?
I told him, so he knows.
Oh.
He's their regular driver. He might actually be like, part owner or something for all I know.
Oh.
I have no idea, but he was impressed.
He's
like, I like to eat too.
You told him on YouTube he can watch it.
Yeah. I said, I'm definitely going to shout you guys out because y'all's food is the best Italian I've had in Vegas so far. So
for me, it's my life. My life, actually.
Good. Oh, that fettuccine.
I'm going to have another bite of fish. One last little bite.
It's amazing. I'm gonna continue with the tiramisu here.
You can have the rest. It's very good, but I know me, I'll get a little shaky.
Yeah, I don't want too much sugar.
Kenny's like, my doctor says I can have all the sugar I want, so don't mind if I do.
Don't mind if I do.
She's like, I'm on the sugar protocol.
Oh my god. It's so creamy.
I'm going to try the little bread.
Okay. I didn't like the piece I got.
No?
It was a little hard.
Oh, mine's a little skimpy on the sauce. The little spicy sauce.
Yeah.
Oh, it's buttery. Oh, I'm tasting squirts of butter in here. It's like a wet sponge. Okay, no, that's good.
It's good.
And what are all these things?
That's probably marinara.
Oh, it's like dip your calzone bites.
Yeah, that was for the calzone and the Stromboli for dipping.
We didn't even.
I know. That's why I was trying to get into the Stromboli so I could have some sauce. And then the Stromboli was such a fail. I was like, oh yeah, screw the sauce. Don't even
Look
worry
at this
about
sauce. It's oily.
Wow.
You can see. You see all those oil bubbles? Oh man.
And that's olive oil.
Ooh, wait a minute. I'm gonna try it with the bread here. It's so hot, by the way. That sauce,
it's still hot.
Very hot.
They don't play at Napoli's. They make sure your food comes to you piping hot.
Everything was very hot. Everything was very hot.
And it's not like they're right next door either. I mean,
no. You know why? They're using metal containers.
Oh.
Aluminum. Wendy's, they always wrap their burgers in aluminum.
Oh, aluminum, yeah.
And Wendy's, it could be a half hour and they'll still be very warm. But then everywhere else, when they wrap it in little plastic or like tissue paper stuff, you have 10 minutes and then it's cooling down. You have to speed home. But yeah, I like Wendy's for that. They wrap it all in aluminum.
Oh my lord. Okay, that.
Dip something. She ate the. People were commenting on our donut video saying.
Yeah, I just saw it this morning.
People were like, Wow, she's racing. You love your sweets.
I love sweets.
I even noticed that while eating next to you. I'm like, you're going really fast. Because usually she savors her bites and takes her time. And,
yeah.
But she was like, give me them donuts.
Donuts are so good. The donuts.
Isn't that good?
Mm-hmm. Oh my god.
Oh.
I'm so full.
And then the last bite here. In the sauce.
As it was meant to. He's like,
it's so
and
hot.
sauce on the side, you guys. Oh my god. I'm a happy fatty right now.
So hot. It's like burning my fingers. Wow.
Well, the aluminum foil, yeah, that. Excuse me, that definitely kept that sauce hot. Oh yeah, it was hot. Hot. Ooh.
Yeah, this was like our favorite thing to eat together.
I know, so I had to do it again.
I'm happy we're doing it for your channel. We've done it twice now for my channel.
Yeah.
One last trip
like,
in this.
Man, let me treat you to some Napoli.
Your turn. Get your Napoli's on your channel.
It was like our favorite thing to eat here.
Yes, thank you, Candy, for treating me. She covered all of this.
Well, look, you treat me all the time, so it's like we're doing it together here.
We do. Was it kind of going Dutch?
Oh yeah, Dutch.
Well, actually, no, we don't do that.
No.
It's
like
whoever's video.
Yeah.
That's
and it was my turn to do a big.
That's how I've always
Italian
done
feast.
with all my collabs. Like, if it's your video, you pay. Their video, they pay. Although I'm going to be treating her, I will, when we do the Korean corn dogs, I'll pay for all that.
Well, thank you.
If the owner doesn't end up paying. I went 2 days ago.
Oh, really?
So crowded.
Oh my gosh.
Recognized a million times. But the owner recognized me and he covered all the stuff.
That's sweet. That's nice when they do that, though.
Well, he said
it's for business purposes.
Well, he said that ever since I made my video, he's like, because of you, my business just went pow. It's like people come here all the time looking for you, and I'm here from your video.
Nice.
I'm like, okay.
They got a little bumpy bump.
Yeah.
Damn.
Well, I'm nicely full. Thank you so much.
I want us to do some churches soon.
Oh yeah.
You know, because I got the good churches over here.
Candy loves fried chicken.
Yeah, I mean, you treated me to Jollibee, so I'm gonna treat you to some churches next time.
They're spicy,
dark
meat.
Delicious. Oh, God. Let's clean up and then go vegetate for a little while.
Go sit in our chairs.
You know what? Sorry. The mic on my camera is so good. I was shooting the video and Susan had kicked back and put the massage on. I could hear it. I was like, oh my God, really? Those massagers are that powerful.
They're very nice.
Like, whew. Let's vibrate down the road.
I love her shoes. That's my third favorite part about coming over. First part's to be with you. Second part's to eat. Third part is to vibrate.
Yeah, the massage is good. It's a Mariglide for those who want to know. A Mariglide, and it's a power lift. So, it's a pretty decent chair. So far, so good. I'm enjoying it.
Well, I went to their website. Yours is easy to find. It's the only one that has the 550-pound weight limit. There's only one they offer.
That's the heavy-duty one. I got the big one. But you can get it in whatever size you need it, But it's supposed to handle us big ones.
You wish you got the small though, right?
Well, the petite, because I think the one that I got is like a medium.
It's too late to trade it in, you think?
Yeah, it's fine. Oh. It's fine. I like it. It's got like a 20-year warranty too, so even if it breaks down, I'll get that chair back. So I need to grow a couple inches. Up.
I remember I thought of like everyone's gonna be like, you have no problem getting there.
I thought of that exactly after I said it. I was like,
Oh.
oh yeah, okay.
They expand a few inches.
Mm-hmm.
They're like, well, keep it
Always,
up, Miss.
ever-
Keep it up, Miss.
Ever expanding, like the universe.
Someone commented when I was doing my little belly shakes in the beginning of the donut one. They're like, Nick's really not that fat. Like, if you look at his arms and legs, it's just on his belly.
Yeah.
And then I replied, I'm like, and my double chin. You forgot there.
You forgot the double chin.
This is like
Double
10
chin.
pounds pulling me down.
In my circles, we say double chin for the win.
Double chin for the win. Yeah. It's heavy. I feel it.
Yeah.
I feel it. It's like
I know,
choking.
I know how it is. I used to get those neck reveal comments all the time until I blocked neck reveal.
Neck reveal?
Yeah.
Oh.
So every so often,
like, where is
every
it?
so often I would be like neck reveal 2020, neck reveal 2021, and I would point it out in the video. Neck. It's there. It's just hiding underneath all my chins. Oh, but anyway, you guys, we're gonna go chill.
I'm so happy. I'm like buzzed from all the food. I'm like, woo.
Mm-hmm. We're going
It's
into
so
a food
good.
coma already. But y'all go see Nick on his channel, Nikocado Avocado. More Nikocado. That's the channel he posts on every single day for you guys.
Pretty much.
As possible. You know, in rain, mud, poop, or blood. There's something my granddaddy used to say. But well, we love you guys. We really do. And we thank you for hanging out with us.
And thank you again for having me on your channel.
You're welcome.
And giving me
Anytime.
all this wonderful Italian food.
Mm-hmm.
This is so good. Like, this is, again, our Italian feasts, like this and hardtack grill and stuff, and the chicken. I'll be thinking of 10 years from now.
I know.
Remember, I'll probably text you. Remember when we shoved in 3,000 calories of cheese and bread?
I'll be sitting in my garden with my 10 cats. We'll be talking about the glory days.
We smashed it in. I'm probably actually still going to finish my calzone.
We'll be nibbling.
I almost ate all my... We did really good.
Yeah.
Well...
Yeah, I didn't do so good. I ate a lot of my pasta.
I eat big bites. That's the thing too. So it really disappears. Do you want your olive before we say goodbye?
Oh, yeah. I'm a little pepper. We got our stupid salad.
I could actually really go
We
for
don't
this.
believe in salads, but somehow
believe
they
in salads.
magically appear. Olives.
Ooh, it smells very fresh.
Mm-hmm.
The cucumbers. That's what
They
we're
have a nice salad.
smelling. All that cucumber. I do like iceberg.
That's a fat pepper. This one's gonna squirt in my mouth.
They're spicy, right?
Mm-hmm.
There you go. I like spicy, but I can't do spicy pepper for some reason.
Ooh, I like a pickle pepper. Peter Pepper picked a peck of pickled peppers. How many pecks of pickled peppers did Peter Pepper pick?
Too many.
I can't believe I actually said that.
Very good. I couldn't say that. I went,
And I didn't trip over my humongous tongue.
Ah,
Oh, that was good.
very good.
Olives and peppers. Okay. All right. So I think we're gonna say bye now.
Okie dokie.
Bye, y'all.
Bye, guys.